If you click on webxl icon, you will see an empty spreadsheet like this. In this top, you will see first text box. This text box is used for navigation purpose. Second text box is used for data entry purpose. Go button is similar to your enter button in your keyboard layout. Now click on this first text box, then click on this first cell, that is 1 comma 1. You enter here something. Suppose I want to do some addition in this row, so I will give addition. Then in the second row I want to give subtraction. Then third row I want to do some multiplication. In third row I want to do some division work. Then in that cell I will enter some number. In the other cell I will give some other number. The third cell I want to add both the numbers. Click on equal to, then 10, then plus sign, then 20, then click on go. Now you see the addition formula is there. Subtraction, here I will give 50, then go, then I will give in this cell 20, then go, then here I will give do some subtraction work, give equal to sign, then give on this, then give minus sign, and this, then go. So you see this is the minus formula. Then for multiplication, here I give some value. Here I give some other value. Now here I will multiply both the numbers. Give equal to sign, then click on first, then click on star, asterisk, then 3, then go. So this is the formula for multiplication. Then on this you give some other number for division, 100, and here click on this, then give it as 2.75, go, then here we click. Now we enter the formula equal to first cell value, then divided by slash, then this 2.75, then go. So now you see here it is 4 with 4 decimal places. If you want to format it to 2 decimal places, you click on the format, you give the number of decimal places 2, and then go. So this is rounded up to 2 decimal places. If you don't want format in that cell, you click on no format. So this will go to the original number. So if you want to save this into a file name, means click on this file, then save, give it as example1. Then click on save. The file saved successfully. Then we will do some other functions using this fx formula bar. Now we will do sum of the horizontal values using the sum function. For that, click on that navigation cell, then click on this cell, then give equal to. For every formula you should give first equal to, then sum. You give this first value, then 30, then click on go. You see here the formula is from 1 comma 1 to 1 comma 4. Since the first cell is text, it won't be added for the calculation purpose. The remaining is added. Now you can copy this formula, then click on the next cell, then you click on range, then click on this, then paste. So all the horizontal rows are added. You click on this formula, 4 comma 1 to 4 comma 4 is added. Here also you see 3 comma 1 to 3 comma 4 is added. So suppose if you click on some other cell and paste V, that is, this is used for pasting value. Here this is 60 only, because the cell value is only 60 we have copied, so that same value is copied here. The space V is used for pasting values. Then you can save this as file, save example 1, you can save it as example 2. Then save. File saved successfully. Now we will do some other functions in the fx bar. In the top row there are this is after sum you have equal to sign, plus sign, minus sign, and asterisk sign, then slash sign, then ordinary bracket open and close. Then this is right arrow key and this is left arrow key. The next row you have cos, sine, tan, arc sine, arc cos, arc sine, arc tan, square root, POW, and then this is comma. Then absolute values of ABS, round, then square brackets, then less than symbol, pi, squirrel brackets, then greater than symbol, if, then empty, then semicolon, this is dollar symbol, max, min, D to R, R to D, for, else, yeah. This is symbol for closing, X is for closing this fx bar. You click on this, fx bar will be closed. We will do some other functions using this fx bar. So we will do some calculation of cos values. Okay, this is for trigonometry. You click here, you type trigonometry function. Okay, then you click on this cell. You can find out some angles cos or sine. So here I will give some value 45. Oh, this is the degrees you consider. You have to convert it into radians. So for that you give equal to sign dTor. This is converting of degrees to radians. Then click on the 45. Then click on go. Now this is 45 degree converted into radians. From that radians we can find tan value. Click on equal to, then click on tan button, then click on this radians, then go button. So tan 45 is 1. Then you can do calculation of cos value. So for that you click on cos. Before that you should give equal to sign, and put on the center. You give left arrow key, cos, then give here you can give due to R, converting degrees to radians, then click on this 45 and go. This is cos 45 value. Similarly you can do sin 45 here, equal to sin, then due to R, degrees to radians, then click on this 45, you go, this is sin 45. You change this 45 into some other value, that is 30 degrees, then go. So the values are changed according to the 30 degrees. For 30 degrees radians, it is tan value of 30 degrees, this is cos value of 30 degrees, this is sin value of 30 degrees. Now we will find the arc sine values, arc values. That is, here this is, here it is arc tan value. Here we will find out arc tan value. For that you give equal to sign. Arc tan formula will give in values in radians. So we have to convert radians into degrees. Click on R to D. Then click on arc tan. Then click on that above cell. Then click on go. So 30 degrees. Similarly, if you want to find out, this is cos value. Here you want to do arc cos value. For that give equal to, then R to D, then do that arc cos, then click on the cell above, then go. So this is the arc cos value. Similarly, you can find here arc sine value. Give equal to, then give R to D, then arc sine value, then click on this above 0.5 value, then go. So this is the tangent values and arc tangent values, arc cos values, arc cos values, sine values and arc sine values. This way trigonometric functions can be done. You go to navigation button, then you go to some place. So we have done some trigonometric functions. Then we will do some square root function here. You type here square root. And go. Here you give some value 100. Then here you want to find the square root of that 100 equal to, click on square root, then click on this value, then click on go. So square root of 100 is 10. Similarly, you can do power also. Click on equal to, then click on power, then click on this, then give comma. How much power? You give it as 3, then click on go. So 10 power 3 is 1000. So the value has come. Similarly, you can do absolute values. How to find absolute values? You change this value. You change it as 75. You click on go. For 75, square root value is 8.66 and 8.66 to the power of 3 is 645. You want to absolute value. If you click on this and put one minus here, equal to, after equal to, you put one minus sign here, then click on go. So actually we have clicked to, so click on this, then click on here, then put minus sign, then go. So it becomes minus. If you find absolute value, you will get only positive values. For that, you click on equal to, then click on ABS, then click on this 649, then go. So you will get positive value only. Then how to use the round? This is rounding of function. You click on navigation cell, then click on this, then click equal to and then round, then click on this above value, then go. This is round off to minus 650. This is for rounding off purpose. If you copy this same to navigation and here, then paste. This is 650. This one is round out to 650 for round off function. You can use the pi value also. Go. Here you want the value of pi equal to, click on pi button, then go. This is the pi value. Then we can use maximum minimum also. So here you write max and minimum. This is for with two values we can find maximum and minimum values. We put here 30 and here you give some other value 45. Now you want to find the max value between these two cells. Then give equal to, click on max, select first cell, then give comma and select 45 and go. So this is the maximum value. Similarly, you can find here minimum value. Click on min, then click the first value, then give one comma, then click this 45, then go. So this is the minimum of 30 and 45. That the maximum and minimum value can be found out. Then how to use star in the formula. So we will go for some other functions what we have already done. Okay, here you see the formula is sum of 1 comma 1 to 1 comma 4. If we copied this formula to any other place, that sum will be changed. If you suppose if you put the same formula is copied downside also, the formula is changing. But suppose if you give some stars dollar symbol here, dollar symbol is in xfx bar, you give $1 here, then using right arrow key go to right side, then give here $1 symbol, then right arrow key, right arrow key, before one give one more dollar symbol, arrow key, right arrow key, give one more dollar symbol here, then click on go. The same formula with absolute values. You see, this is the values. Now if you copy this and paste in any place, same value will be there. If you see, the formula is the same. If you use dollar symbol, absolute formula with fixity of that cells value will be used here. This is for use how to use dollar symbol in your formulas. Then in fx bar you will see if statement, how to use if statement. I will here if statement. Okay, here I will give some value, then here I will give, okay, here I will give equal to, then 10, click on 10, then click on less than or equal to, and click on 20 and go. You see here 10 is less than or equal to 20, it is positive. If it is 1 means it is positive. If I give here instead of 10 I will give 35. Okay, what is happening? 35, 20, here it is 0, it means the equation is false. If the equation is false means it will give 0 value. With this operation we can do some if statement. Here give equal to, click on if, then click on the first cell, then use the less than or equal to, then click on the second cell, then click on right arrow, then use the square brackets. If it is less than this, you write less than value. Okay, then go to right arrow keys, once again right arrow, once again right arrow. Here you give else command. You click on else, then once again square bracket. Here you give 13,2, otherwise you will give 13,3. Okay, then press on go. Here you see, here the equation is false, so it is giving 20. Suppose if it is true, means you increase the value more than that 45. 45 I will give. Here the equation is positive, hence it is giving 35, that is less than value, it is giving 35. So in that way if statement is used. So for how to use for statement, here I will write it as for statement. This will be useful for programming purposes. So here I will write one number, that is 1. Then here I will give some other number, that is 10. Then I want to find the sum of values from 1 to 10. So for that I will write here some formula, equal to, within the square bracket, NA equal to 0 and then give semicolon. Then using right arrow key, go there, then give for symbol, give this variable name as ni, then equal to, you select this cell here 1, then close this semicolon, then once again give ni less than or equal to, then give this cell value, then give semicolon, then ni plus plus, then go right side. Here once again within the square bracket, you write the formula NA plus equal to ni, give once again semicolon. So the formula is completed, give go. So sum of 1 to 10 is 55. So you can change the values at any time. If you change this value into some 20, you put on go, you will get sum of values from 1 to 20, that is 210. You can change this value also. Change 1 into 10, then click on go. This is the sum of values from 10 to 20. So in this way for statement can be used. So these are all the functions you can use it in webxl app. Okay, use it. Thank you. You can save this also. That if you put save on this, just click save button. In the example 2, this will be saved. You can save this file in some other notepad apps also. For that you click on save as, then click on select and copy. So all the contents of the file are selected and copied to the clipboard. Now you can close this. You can save that contents in some notepad apps, and then you can copy from the notepad app and you can paste in the open as command. For that you click on file new, then file, open as, click here, paste, then OK. So your file has come out once again. It's loaded. File, you can save it also, save as, You simply close file, give a save command, give some other name. File saved successfully. If you want print means, you can print. When all menus will go out, you can move the sheet, then you can take a screenshot. And that will be saved as screenshot. If you click on the sheet, all the menus will come back. You can do your calculations as I have already done. If you want to delete some file means, print, click on file, then delete. You will see number of files we have saved. Example 2 and example 3 are same. Click on example 3, then delete. So example 3 is deleted. Now file, new, then file, open. You'll see you don't see example 3. Click on example 2, then open. Your file is open. This way you can use this app. Okay, thank you.